Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to upload a PDF document to ChatGPT. For this I'm already in ChatGPT, but you can't upload any PDF directly to ChatGPT. So what we will use is just type in chatpdf.com, go to this website. It is based on the ChatGPT API, so it literally does the same. Then drop your PDF that you want to upload in here, like this for example. This is from my university. Then it's analyzing. Here you can see it, it's actually in German. And here are some questions, now in German of course. But you also can just type in your question down here. For example, summarize this document in English, like this. And then you can see it summarizes it very briefly. But of course you can also choose these questions. If you just hold this and then ask this question, then it also works. One thing with this is you only have 3 free tries. So you can upload 3 PDF documents here, and after this you have to pay for it. Okay, that was a little hack on how to upload a PDF document to ChatGPT. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.